Well, today's video is this little kit, which has a unusual circuit board. If I can get the bag open, there we go. Okay, so this is a metal detector. So quite a easy circuit by the looks of things to build. That's what the big sort of coils are, is to detect metal. What we got then, so we've got 3 resistors, we've got a speaker for a sound, LED, a capacitor, switches and variable resistor, a couple of transistors, 3 transistors and 4 capacitors. So nothing really particularly fantastic, no ICs, which is good. So let's get it built. So as there's only 3 resistors, we can test them and put them straight on. So let's see what this first one is. And that should say 459. So let's see where that goes. Uh, 459. Okay, so we've got a 200, we've got a 2K, and we've got a 470. So I'm going to guess it's the 470, so I'm going to pop that in there temporarily. Okay, so let's pick up another one. And let's see what that one says. 195. So that will be our 200 then. Which pops in the middle there. So we're going to guess that the last one is a 2K. So let's have a look. Yep, 1989, so that's close enough to a 2K. So let's put that in there. There we go. So as we've only got 3 resistors, it's easy just to do that rather than getting a piece of paper and writing it down like I did on the other video. Okay, so let's get it soldered up. Right, we've got the circuit board on the vise. Just get the soldering iron. Let's just pop a bit of solder on. Here we go, it's got those done. Right, what's next then? Okay, so we've got some capacitors here. So first of all, we'll do this one, which is got a negative side, and the positive is a longer leg. So that goes here on C5. It's actually marked with a plus as well, so we can pop that in there. We've also got 4 capacitors which don't have a plus or a minus. And 2 is marked with a 104 and 2 are marked with a 222. And the 222s, which are the smaller ones, one goes at the top there. The one goes next to it. A bit of a bent leg, but that's fine, sort that out. And then the 104s, one goes down here in the middle. And the last 104 goes just underneath the other capacitor, just there. Okay, so let's get them soldered up as well then. Okay, so we've got a little solder bridge there, but that's okay, we can sort that out in a second. Right, okay, so we've got a little solder bridge, but we can sort that out. Let's clean the end of the soldering iron. There we go. Let's just clean that up, which is okay. And just snip that off. So that's better. That's loads better now, isn't it? Okay, so that's got that nicely done. What's next? Right, so we've got 3 transistors to do. And we can see that we've got a 9012, a 9018 and a 9012. So let's pick up our first capacitor, our first transistor. I can't exactly see what that says. Let's see and zoom in a bit. So that's a 9012. So again, we just follow the pattern on the circuit board with the round and the flat. What's the next one? Yeah, that looks like a 9012 as well. Now I'll just double check the last one. Yeah, that's a 9018. So you put that in the middle there. Right, we can get that soldered up as well now. There we go. Okay, so we're getting there now, aren't we? What's next? Well, the only one really is the variable resistor goes here, the LED. So let's do the LED. Again, same as a capacitor, long leg, short leg. Long leg is a positive, and if you look at the circuit board, there's a square and a round, and the positive is the square. So let's pop that on there. Okay, that's that one done. The variable resistor, it's got 3 pins on it. I guess this is for sensitivity. Okay, and while we're here, we might as well put the buzzer on. So we've got a plus symbol here, and we've got a plus on the board, so we know it goes that way around. Okay, so they just bend this pin ever so slightly just to hold it in place. I'm just going to put a dab of solder on there, and then I'm going to hold it with my finger behind and just put that solder on so it holds it in place, which it hasn't. Yeah, it should do it. Yep, there we go. I think we've got a bit of a dirty circuit board on here. The solder's not very wanting to stick very much. Right, do those other legs for me here. That's better. Right, so what we've got left, switch and the power, which goes in here, but to make sure that's the right way around. Now I'm going to have to put a dab of solder on these as well, just to hold them in place as I solder them up. Don't worry, switch is just fallen off, but it's okay. Just quickly put the switch back on again. There we are. That's got it. Got the solder bridge again, so let's just quickly get rid of that. There we are. Cool, that's got that done. So that's all the components done now. Right, so let's see if it works. So, a screwdriver. Okay, so that is the negative or the ground. That's the dog barking in the background. And this one is the positive. It says 3 to 5 volts. Okay, let's give it a blast then. We need to plug in some power, so let's get some power in. Right, the power says 4.6. So hopefully that should be enough. Well, I definitely found it. Let's just turn the sensitivity down. Okay, definitely a sensitivity, that one, isn't it? There we go. That's better. So, there we go. One working metal detector with a variable sensitivity on it. There we go. All working nicely. Thank you very much for watching. Join me again soon.